Hey there, Brainiacs. Time to level up your vocabulary game with a brand new word. Let's get started. Today's magical word is diligent. Diligent means being careful and working hard at something. Imagine you're building the most epic Lego castle ever. You need to be diligent to make sure it stands tall and strong. Let's break it down. Being diligent means you don't give up, even when things get tricky. You stay focused and keep going. Now let's see in action with some sentences. Sentence 1. Sophie was diligent in her studies, always doing her homework on time. And sentence 2. The diligent ants worked together to build their underground home. Got it? Awesome. Now, let's learn some words that mean the same thing, and a few that are the opposite. Synonyms for diligent are hardworking, careful, and persistent. Antonyms, or words that mean the opposite, are lazy, careless, and sloppy. Time for a quick quiz. Question 1. True or false? Diligent means being lazy and not working hard. If you said false, you're right. Question 2. Which of these is a synonym for diligent? A. Sloppy. B. Persistent. C. Careless. If you picked B, well done. Last question. Fill in the blank. The blank student always finished his projects on time. Did you get it? If you said the diligent student always finished his projects on time, you were correct. Great job. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Word Genius YouTube channel for more fun vocabulary lessons. Stay diligent, word wizards.